Hi everybody, or whoever decides to watch. This is just going to merely be an informational video about things that I've learned about, polygel and nail things and nail tips and nail tricks and things like that. Just a side note though, I am not at all anywhere near a professional, not trained, nothing. I am self-taught and I've learned tricks from other people and other pages, so I thought I would post my own video about my experience too, so that you guys maybe will get some helpful tips and tricks as well. I'm a huge DIYer. I am an art teacher, but as a hobby I like to do, my own, you can probably tell, my own hair cuts and dyes. It's blue right now. And also my own nails, and that's been a huge hobby for me, so I love doing it, and I just kind of wanted to record it and see if anybody needed some help, and if you do, maybe this will work for you, maybe it won't, but hopefully this can be, helpful in some way to you. This is just for fun. I don't have like a nail studio or anything. I do have a ton of nail polish though. It's kind of cool. This is my collection so far, yeah. But that's just, so far. That was a huge, splurge on my part, but it's for a hobby that I really love doing. So again, this is merely just informational about what I've learned. If it helps you, that's great. If not, then I'm sure somebody else can help you. So stay tuned for my tips about applying polygel acrylics, and I'm going to be doing pretty long ones, probably about ½ an inch over my real nail, and I think I'm going to do coffin shape as well, and then I'll show you how to do that, and applying them and filing them and all of that. So stay tuned if you want to watch. Caught up in my tape. Caught up in my tape. Don't care what you say to me, I'ma bite your feelings out. Caught up in my tape. I miss you in the basement. Caught up in my tape. But your brother was a good substitute for you. And if you
was on fire, you never let me know. Say you're sorry, honey, but you never really show me. And I can leave the party without ever letting you know. Without ever letting you know. Rufus boy, got me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, got me love, without ever letting you know. Rufus boy, got me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, got me love, without ever letting you know. Rufus boy, got me love boy, what you know. Rufus boy, got me love, without ever letting you know. Rufus boy, got me love boy, what you know. Without ever letting you know.
I love when I first put these on. They are so cute. Obviously during the school year, this would not work for me. I'm definitely going to put much shorter ones on for the school year, but for now it's summer and I love these for summer. Yes, it takes some getting used to when I'm texting because I can't see when the polish is on and it's not clear anymore. I can't see the letters under my fingernails, but it's worth it because, I don't know, I just feel like a new woman with these on. So that was just a very, basic tutorial. I know that it might work for some, it might not work for others. Professionals who may see this might cringe at all of that. I might not be doing it correctly, but it works for me, and the last ones that I had on actually lasted for 2 weeks, so for me it works. And so I wanted to post my process so that if you want some that are long lasting and something to practice with, then this is a great way to do it, especially, or at least for me. So yeah, they work for me, and my next video will be of painting these bad boys, and I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet, but I'm definitely going to do some hard research. I love the ones that I had on last time. You'll see those in actually my my polygel removal video that I'm going to post as well. Those were some of my favorites, so hopefully I can top them with this next design that I'm going to choose. But this was just the application, shaping, filing, and all of that. Tips and tricks. Feel free to post your own in the comments, tips and tricks on anything that I could use some help on. But again, I'm definitely amateur, self-taught, so if you want to take my tips, go for it. If you don't, that's cool too. So yeah, thanks for tuning in. Stay tuned for some other cool videos.